Hello everyone, welcome to the session. We are starting the Amazon Pay integration series. This is the first session. So let's start our session. This is the agenda of the session. Let's start with first point, how Amazon Pay works. Amazon Pay provides customer with a secure, trusted and convenient way to sign in and pay for their purchases on any website by using their Amazon credentials. To explain the Amazon Pay working, I have attached one screenshot. So on the website checkout page, Amazon Pay button is displayed for the payment. When customer clicks on that Amazon Pay button, Amazon login page is displayed to the customer, where customer enters the Amazon credential. Once login is successful, details present with the Amazon Pay account displayed to the customer, like card details, address details, and then customer select which credit card or debit card they want to use for the payment. Customer also selects the address. After selecting all the necessary details, customer proceeds with the checkout and customer is redirected to the merchant order review page, where place order button is present. Customer review all the details. Once customer is okay with the details, customer will click on the place order button. Once customer clicks on the place order button, all the necessary details, including payment, is sent to the Amazon Pay for the payment processing. Once Amazon Pay process the payment successfully, customer is redirected to the order confirmation page of the merchant. So this is how the Amazon Pay works. In upcoming sessions, we are going to see how we are going to implement this flow. So let's move further. There are two Amazon Pay API versions present, API version 1 and API version 2. In all sessions of Amazon Pay integration, we are going to use the API version 2. Now let's proceed with the Amazon Pay basic setup. Here I have mentioned all the steps we are going to complete. Let's proceed with step 1. First, we are going to create the merchant account on Amazon Pay. Here I have mentioned links for different regions. As per your requirement, you can use the corresponding link. For the demo purpose, I am going to set up Amazon Pay for US. Let's open the US link to create the merchant account. So we are on the Amazon Pay merchant account creation page. Here we need to fill all the details. So let's fill the details. Where is your business registered? I am filling US. Select the e-commerce platform from the given list. If your website is not on any e-commerce platform, then you can select I am not on a platform. Then you need to enter the email address, then company, then your business website URL. Then you need to complete the CAPTCHA. Then click on get started. Here choose your business location and click on create an Amazon Pay account. Here you need to enter the account detail, name, email address, password and confirm the password. Then click on create account. I'm not entering the details because my account with that email ID already present. Then you need to click on create account. If all the details are fine, one OTP will be sent on your email address, whichever email address you are entering here. Then you need to confirm the OTP and your account will be created. And you will also get the welcome email from Amazon Pay. So this is how you need to create the merchant account on the Amazon Pay. Once the merchant account is created, you need to go to the same registration page again. Since you already have the account now, you need to click on the sign in. And here you need to click on the sign in to Seller Central. Here you need to enter the email address. Click on continue. Enter your password. Click on sign in. Click on send OTP. Confirm your OTP. Click on sign in. So you can see I have logged in the Amazon Seller Central. On this portal, we will complete our remaining steps. Amazon Seller Central portal is also used to manage the payment transactions that we will also see in upcoming sessions. So we have completed the step 1. In step 2, we are going to create the customer account for the testing purpose. Let's visit the Seller Central to complete the step 2. Here you need to enter all the necessary details: name, email address, password, and confirm password. Amazon Pay also adds some test cards with your test account. So these cards will be added with your test account. Amazon Pay also provides some sample shipping address. So these shipping address will also be visible with your account. And you can click on the create account. Your account will be created. We will use this test account when we will place the order on website using Amazon Pay. That we will see in upcoming sessions. So we have completed the step 2 also. In step 3, we are going to generate the client ID, client secret, and security keys. And these keys and IDs will be used when we will integrate the Amazon Pay with the website. So let's visit the Amazon Seller Central portal to create the necessary keys. So we are on the Seller Central portal. Here you can see Sandbox. So this is the Sandbox profile. To switch to the production, you can click on this. And here you can switch to the production view. For the demo purpose, we will use the Sandbox only. So you can click this Sandbox. First, we are going to create the client ID. You need to go to the configuration section, and here you can see client ID. You need to click on it. So this is the page from where we can manage the client configuration. Means we can delete the existing configuration, we can edit the existing configuration, or we can create the new configuration. You can see one configuration I already created for localhost, and these are the all details which we need to enter while creating the new configuration. From here you can edit it. This is the option to delete this configuration. Let's see how to create the new configuration. Here you can see one link, create new configuration. You need to click on it. And here you need to enter the application name or store name. Here I am giving demo. You can upload the logo here. I am leaving this blank because this is optional. And here you need to enter the privacy policy URL of your website. Then allowed JavaScript origins. Here you need to enter the website URL. You can add more than one URLs or domain which you want to allow. Allowed return URLs. This is optional, so I am leaving this blank. Then customer support email. Here you need to enter the email which customer can use to contact you. So I am giving this. Then the contact number where customer can contact you. I am not enabling this setting, mobile setting, because I am doing this integration for website. Then you need to click on save changes. So our configuration created successfully. To check your configuration, click on this drop down, and here you can see demo, so you need to click on it. So you can see the configuration for the demo application which we created just now. Here you can see client ID. You need to copy this client ID from here, copy. And you also need to copy the client secret. So you can click on this show and you can copy. You can review these details as well. If you want to edit this configuration, you can click on this edit, or if you want to delete, you can also delete from here. So this is how we need to create the client configuration. So we have generated the client ID and client secret, and we have also copied both values. Now we are going to generate the API keys. Now we will see how to create the API keys. You need to click on this sandbox. Click on this integration central. Now you need to go to the API access section. Here you can see. And here you need to click on the create keys. Here you need to give the name of the key. I am giving demo and click on create keys. Please note, when you click on the create keys, the certificate is downloaded automatically. So you need to save it. Click on save. So we have saved our certificate. So you can see this key we created demo. And here you can see public key ID. You also need to copy this because this will be used at the application side. So this is how we need to create the API keys. So we have generated the API keys. We have also downloaded the certificate and we have also copied the public key. You also need to copy this merchant ID or the seller ID. Merchant ID present under API access only. You can see this merchant ID. So you need to copy this because this will also be used at the application side. All these keys will be used at the application side that we will see in upcoming session. Here I have mentioned the developer documentation link. You can follow this link to get more details about the Amazon Pay integration. Let me open this link. This is the Amazon Pay integration documentation. We are using version 2. So from the drop down, you need to select the version 2 only. You can go through this documentation to get more details about the Amazon Pay integration. Let me open this link. This is the Amazon Pay integration documentation. We are using version 2. So from the drop down, you need to select the version 2 only. You can go through this documentation to get more details about the integration. So this is all for this session. In upcoming session, we will see how to integrate the Amazon Pay with website. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.